Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. Uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Happy Saturday to everybody. Enough love and respect coming from Pinky. And remember, if you don't like the truth, this channel is not for you. Alright? Hear them the foley as daylight. As daylight a be nice. You can't even sleep in your bed good. Them a dry you out of your bed with this heap of nice. Anyways, people, me say I see Happy Wife put out a video and I am so convinced that this woman body want go viral, or not only her body sick but her head sick too. People, before I get into this video, please remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell to know when Pinky posts a video. And remember, me I beg on a 2 minutes out on the time for watch each ads will pop up, right? Because that's how the channel earns a revenue. So people, listen to this where Happy Wife put out yesterday. Because I can't believe.
You don't realize if I'm a pee up the bed when I sleep? Yeah, Christian, I see something up most night. But last night you never sleep with yesterday night. Or last night you never sleep with. Well, me not sleep. Every hour me get up for people because me no want people to bed. Every hour me ask them, me never know something for that work. And me like it drop my blood pressure, me sick because me not sleep. Yes, dear, it affect me psychologically. So me say, you know something? This is rubbish. Me go buy one mattress cover. So if we pissy bed, we pissy. What me I go do?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What me I talk about? We just go buy the mattress cover, at least up on the safe side, so at least the psychological effect won't affect me. Me won't have the meltdown there. I say, boy, I want to pick up people to bed. Chris, if I get almost $800 for the mattress alone, and I'm not even under the cost. I have to piss the bed and the smell we got up on the bed.
So people, tell me now, what is Happy Wife I put out on social media? Why she feel like the people need to hear all of them a rubbish when she a chat? If she sick and she a piss the bed, why she a bring that on social media? The woman desperately want to go viral, you know? And that this is what she come with it yesterday, you know? Eh? Me say if Happy Wife clothes want wash, if plate want wash, if the house want clean, she bring it out of social media. And now the woman come and ask her husband on camera. Right? If him realize say she pissed the bed last night. Me say you can't see it on the video, so the man do not want to answer no question because the man probably said, what is share video? Or what is she go put up on the media now? So till the man all say he no know what she talk about. Happy Wife, you don't know what to come up on the media come say. And so you desperate to go viral and them sitting here you want to make you go viral, man? You can't see so the man don't want hands and nothing, the man is annoyed. So wait, Chris, you can't tell Happy Wife if you put on the phone and tap rubbish. You can't tell Happy Wife if you tap put out her own personal business out of social media. Come let's see how well them 40 for. But if you see all Happy Wife all a piece all the bed supposed to rank for true. Cause you hear what she said? She want them to buy a mattress cover. So if them pissy, then just pissy. So you can see say Happy Wife is a nasty woman. She don't mind if you piss out the bed. If she want piss, she don't want move from which part she does. She just want lie down and maybe piss and shit same place. So we bring this out on social media for Happy Wife. No man, you need if I vlog you vlog. If I vlog you vlog, man, you need if you do some better vlogging than this, man. Cause if you come on social media, I ask your husband them the crap there. Eh? Them the fart there but you come and ask the man. You can see the man can't bother with her, you know. You can see the man stressed out and just can't deal with it. But in done in the trap already, so you just have it stand there until eternity. But Mr. Sir, I pray to God that somebody come and rescue you. Me see say you ball out. You want help. Your face alone and tell me so. No Happy Wife is too wicked. No happy wife, man. I need to do better, man. If you do some vlogging, do some better vlogging than this, man. And I saw you do it at all. This a one and already at all. This now make her go viral, none at all, mama. You need to come again. And me say you can't see say Chris can't bother with her, you know. And Chris after the answer to, you know, cause probably if Chris not answer, you know, he can't sleep at night, you know. Probably man won't in no peace if you no answer, you know, but you can't see say the man disgust and can't bother. So you want to tell me say a big married man like a Chris can't tell his wife say him need to put on the phone and stop video every blasted thing we go on in their life. So you mean to say a happy wife or the man in the house and she wear the pants and you wear the skirt and the dress? Eh? And yet still are you have to look after happy wives while happy wife just lie down on her back each and every day. Sit down and chat people business and fast. No, Chris, man, you need to put on your foot now, man. I know you make it look like say you're a send out boy. Or you're a yard boy. Or you're Mr. Yes Man. Cause you can't talk to your wife. You need to tell your wife if you tap throat them fuck with the old pan the media, man. Come in now them something that she had throat. Jesus, please, me say when me listen to the video last time, me say Almighty God look on this girl and this happy wife want use and go viral. But this not look safe for social media. Come again, happy wife, man. That no look good, man, as a big married woman. Do better, man. Do better than that, man. And to curly people. Why? Yes, a curly take the iron bird and they are Jamaica. But she had tell her, say she there Panama. Curly, if you there Jamaica, enough, you tell me breed a lie, them, man. We are tell lies, say you there Panama and a Jamaica, you there. Boy, I see you sit down and I'm son Julie the master. Be careful of them heap of sweet there. Because when you go up back, you might surprise when you go up on the scale. You might broke it this time. Be careful. But curly ma'am, what me want to ask you is, I wonder if me have to go empty out my bank account, you know, because me not really have no money still, you know. You understand? And boy, I don't know if you go come, my way come drop a lawsuit for me to Rockstone because Jesus peace lily also me there not to net back. Me can't afford to go sleep out and do a curl. Eh? Out you come my way come sue me. Look here man, tell me what you do, you know, so me put together the 2 little shillings them. I'm going to shake out and make me saving pan. And then something there. Bloggers, Jamaican bloggers. Wanna put local shillings together because big deal is in Jamaica. She is coming with full force. Jesus peace. What me I gotta do now? I know me live out a door. Live out a door because I'm a mouth. Pinky you chat too much, you know. Look how you sit down pan curly name and now curly come back say with a lawsuit. People, no man, me need help for that one, yeah. Me don't know what me I go do. Me say when me hear say curly there Jamaica, me say me start tremble. Cold sweater, watch me, no people. Come here and say, Almighty and most God. Nobody never sue me yet, you know. And curly come and sue me now for my mouth. Where me I go get money from? And me can't even buy toilet paper for what me buying. Me not even have proper meal for me and me not even have a proper place to sleep. Where me I go down and curly I come kick me off of my foot. No, sir. Curly, please to tell me which part you're there. Please, me I beg you. Inbox me somewhere and tell me which part you're there. Because me would have want to come and give you a public apology. Because me not able to sleep out alone. Because me not got nothing to me name. Me not have anything, ma. So if you come in my way, me I beg you please, let me approach you first. Let me approach you first so me can able to come and apologize to you for my mouth. Because me can't afford, me no want to sleep at jail. Me no want to sleep that time. Me and me 2 little picking in them Philip for. And me can't sleep at jail because them sit down and go look good for my name for Pinky. No, sir. No, curl. But curly, me see somebody in your comment section go say your fingernail they no look good. And they go turn the camera up and you told them, Jesus Christ, people. Me say nearly mash up when curly turn the camera up and I told them. You know how social media people turn how they will jog your kid and you go turn the camera up and you told them, People, me say not a crab toad. Take a look on the screen here so and look on the toad them. Almighty to the two, me say curl, you see how you told them turn, right? And you know say the people them a go talk. Instead, you just continue chat where you chat to rocks when you go turn camera up and you told them, and now people have up your told them on big screen and show how told them whole and dirty. And favor crab. Favor any soldier crab. No curl, you can't put up them the two and them the condition. Them the foot them no look good. Me surprise. Me say, me tell you, say you're too lively. You're missing half of the internet, how much it days now. And you come back, come and give the people more sitting for chat. Remember say, you know, come out of a couple days and look like them are dead for younger out here, you know. And you come back to Rockstone, come and live yourself. Curly, it look like it is good that you come live, man, and make we know say you're Jamaica. But you could give one little heads up before and make we know say you come so we can able to prepare ourselves. Because we know say you come slap with some last for mouth over there chat. Look here, man, do better than that next time and give you some heads up, man. Me say, I'm frightened. Me say, I know me still a shake and me say, Jesus, peace out a door me gone now. Out a door me leave now. Me and me picking it them out a door. When me and me husband and me picking them I gotta do now. Cause curl I come put we out. No, Curly, man. Give you a heads up next time, man. You do them mess up, man. And top tell like, but you're there Panama, man, and in Jamaica, you're there. What, everybody else is over Port Royal, you're there. You're not top tell lie, man. Look here, man. Stop going like you're shame of Jamaica, you know, but why? Me sit down there, me I tell you something, me I think about the lawsuit. Because you see through me broke and paparazing and non-emancipated, me I wonder where me I go get money from. If you go back up my mouth when me chat so much out there, where me I go do? People, say if you can donate something to me no man, because curl is coming my way. And me can't able to sleep out of the door. Jesus peace, me gone to jail now for my mouth. Me gone to jail. Then me can't afford to go sleep on cold concrete curly. And mosquito bite me and run them places so hot. You really go come my way and consume me? No, sir. I've look up pity palm me there and call. Look here, find somewhere and reach out to me so me can apologize to you, man. Because me can't afford no lawsuit right now. I have to go sleep out the door. You understand? I have to go empty up my little saving pan. Where not how much no there now. Bloggers, wanna come forward, come apologize to Curly. Because Curly is coming your way as well. So now come big up on the stomach and still attack and things that she not gonna come from nowhere. She is coming. So you saw the woman half of the media for a couple days. And then Bob say yes, so she there Jamaica. You no can't stand there. No saggle up on yourself. You can't stay there. Me I go empty out my saving pan right here now. Because me can't afford to go sleep at jail. Anyways, people, please remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell to know when Pinky posts a video. Please, me I beg on the people, reach out to Curl and tell her, say, me is sorry. Me sorry me open my mouth and talk anything out here. I am very, very sorry from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of my foot, and got straight up. I am very sorry, ma'am. I will not say anything about you again, big deal. I am sorry. Thank you so much for your forgiveness.